primetime news this evening, deadly lies. Security Minister dismisses claims of JCF hit squad taking out gangsters. 3-truck collision on Spurtree Hill causes major traffic pileup. And from class to court, we explore possible legal outcomes for students in the finale of Beyond the Lesson Plan.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, the Bank of Jamaica has decided to keep the policy interest rate at 6%. What does that mean? Plus, how has Jamaica been impacted by recent policy changes in the United States? I'll have those and more after the break. Well, in the business day.
Thanks, Andrea. Before the break, it's the big show. Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, thank you, Archie. Well, Jamaica could be hosting a major World Track and Field Championship very, very soon. Tell you more a bit later on.
Oh, I thought, okay, never mind. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you make of the arrangement at public hospitals to cater to persons with disabilities?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail right after the break.